Tiger Lifting Single Bar Geared Hoist Beam Trolleys. This geared beam trolley is a versatile and premium solution for lifting from overhead I-beams. They're designed with anti-drop plates to ensure safety and to prevent damage to the wheels when contacting end rail stoppers. The wheels of the trolley are designed with a convex profile to eliminate potential point loading and run on sealed bearings for smoother rolling with less effort and maintenance. They can be used with manual or electric lifts. Our customers use Tiger Lifting Single Bar Geared Hoist Beam Trolleys to perform lifts in warehouses, machine and fabrication shops, and for general rigging projects. They're available in sizes ranging from 1 to 5 tons, and I-beam flange widths from 2.4 to 7.6 inches. When it comes to hoist beam trolleys, Tiger Lifting Single Bar Geared Hoist Beam Trolley is the premium choice for I-beam lifting versatility.